Hello everyone. So the success ladder is here up with another video on shapes. And today we will see about open shapes and closed shapes. So without further ado, let's get started. So today's aim is to understand the importance of shapes and to identify different types of shapes like open and closed. So let's see. So first of all, let us see what are shapes. So a shape can be defined as a form of object or its outline and the outer boundary or the outer surface of anything. So basically whatever we see around us in the world, any object that we see in the world, so that has a particular shape. For example, there are few shapes around us. For example, the credit card that we use that has a particular shape, the coins, the ring, the photo frame, hut, buildings, flower pot, window, anything that is around that has a particular shapes. So let us see what is it. So we have different types of shapes. So the first one is open shape. So what is open shape? An open shape is made up of line segments, but there is at least one line segment that isn't connected to anything at one of its endpoint. For example, here we have one shape below. This is an example of open shape. So here the shape has one outline or one line segment that is not connected completely. That means the shape that is open from one side. For example, this shape is open from this side. And on the other hand, let us talk about closed shapes. So closed shape is the shape enclosed from all the sides. So the shape that is enclosed from all four sides or whatever sides is having, that is fully closed end to end and form a picture with no opening is called closed shape. So as you can see this figure, the below one is an example of closed shape. There is no such opening. In the first shape there is opening from the right hand side, but here there is no such opening. The figure is fully closed. All the line segments are connected to each other. So this is the example of closed shape. Now let us see again. A closed shape or a figure starts and ends at a same point. For example, here is a shape. This is an example of closed shape. So here if the starting point of the figure is this, so it is basically starting from this point and ending also at the same time, at the same point. So this is called closed figure or closed shape that starts and ends at the same point. On the other hand, the open figure or the open shape does not start and end at the same time. For example, see, this is the second example. This line, it starts from this point. This is the starting point, but it ends from a different point. So here the start and the end position are not same. They both are different. So that is called the open figure, and the other one that has the start and end point both the same, that is called closed figure. Moving forward, so now here are some tips to identify about open shape and closed shape. So let us see how we can identify that. So for that you have to take a pencil and you have to trace it all the way around back. For example, if you have kept your pencil at the starting point, I'm focusing on the figure that is given below. So if I point out the pencil here and if I trace the entire boundary of the shape, so it should meet at the starting point only. It means there should not be any breaks between. So if I trace a pencil all the way around back to where you started without running into any breaks, but if the break is in the shape, that means the figure is not closed. For example, here if I trace the pencil, so there is a break in between. So my end point is not meeting it with the starting point. So here a break is there. So the figure in which there is a certain break which doesn't allow the shape to meet with the starting point, that shape is called as open shape. Whereas if both the points are meeting after tracing, if I trace a pencil over here, that means my start point and end point is meeting at a single point only from where I have started, and there is no return. That means there is no such break. That shape is known as closed shape. So everything I have mentioned here, this is about open shape, and the second one is about closed shape. Now moving forward, there are some examples of closed shapes now. So let us see what are the examples here. So these are few examples of the closed shape. So as we can notice that here is not any opening. All the figure is closely intact. The start point and end point are same in all the 6 figures. So that means these all shapes are closed because they are not even open from even a single point. They all are fully intact. Now let us see the another one. Now here are some examples of the closed shape. So let us see what are the examples of open shapes. The previous one were of closed shapes. Now this is for the open shape. So let us see. So here these are few examples of open shapes. See here the start point and end point both are different. So there is a certain gap in between. That's why we call it as open shape. Here the starting point and end point are not same. There is a certain gap. There is a certain break in between. They see the second figure. Here is also a gap. This figure is it is not fully enclosed. It is not fully intact. This is also open. Here also this figure is also open from this point. It is also, the next figure is also open from down. So here the end point and starting point are not same. Similarly the last figure also, this is open from this point. So the figures that are not fully enclosed, we call it as open shapes. Now here are few figures and you have to identify which one of that is open and which one of it is closed. So we have to basically identify between open shapes and closed shapes. So now the first one, it is fully intact. The start point and the end point are same. That means it is a closed shape. Similarly the second one, this is fully intact. Here also the start and end point both are same. This is also closed. The third one, it is open from this point. Here the start point is different and end point is different. Both are different. So this is open. The fourth one is also closed. The fifth one, here the start point and end point both are different. So this is also open shape. This is open from this side. Next one, it is closed because it is fully intact. This figure is fully intact. The start and end point both are same. The next one, it is open because here also there is a gap between the two, the start point and the end point. And the last one is closed. So here are the answers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 figures that are closed and 3 figures that are open. So I hope it is clear now. Thank you everyone, and for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.